Buckle up, because today we're stepping into a world where raw, American trucking heritage collides with ultra-modern, jaw-dropping luxury. This is not just a vehicle, it's a legend reborn, a beast that's been transformed into a two-level rolling mansion. The 2026 Kenworth W900 double-story motorhome is here, and it's rewriting every rule about what a motorhome can be. If you thought the open road was already thrilling, wait until you see what happens when the most iconic truck in history is elevated, literally, into a palace on wheels. This is Honest Auto Wheels, and today, we're diving deep into a machine that blends muscle, prestige, and first-class travel like nothing you've seen before. From the very first glance, the Kenworth W900 double-story commands respect. Its timeless long-nose silhouette remains, paying tribute to decades of trucking dominance, but now it's wrapped in sleek, modern aerodynamics, custom chrome accents, and a paint finish so rich it glistens like liquid metal in the sun. The towering two-story profile isn't just for show, it's a statement that the age of compromise between power and comfort is officially over. Step inside and the transformation takes your breath away. The lower level greets you with a full executive lounge, handcrafted leather seating, panoramic smart glass windows that tint automatically, and a gourmet kitchen that would put most city apartments to shame. Polished wood, brushed aluminum, and ambient LED lighting create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a moving vehicle. Every inch is meticulously engineered, from hidden storage, compartments to a full climate control system that adapts to your preferences instantly. Climb the glass staircase to the upper level, and you're in a different world entirely. This floor is dedicated purely to relaxation and indulgence, a master bedroom with a king-size bed, a private spa-inspired bathroom with rainfall shower, and even a balcony-style observation lounge, where you can sip your coffee while watching the sunrise over the horizon. The views from up here aren't just good, they're cinematic. What really sets this motorhome apart is the fusion of heritage and innovation. You get the classic bold stance and chrome grille that W900 fans have loved for generations, but now wrapped in futuristic tech, opulent interiors, and a lifestyle that screams exclusivity. This is not for just anyone. This is for those who believe travel should be as grand as the destination itself. So is the 2026 Kenworth W900 double-story motorhome. The ultimate expression of freedom on wheels? Absolutely. It's proof that you can have the muscle of a long-haul king and the comfort of a five-star suite all in one unstoppable package. On Honest Auto Wheels, we've seen a lot of impressive machines, but this one sets a whole new standard. Get ready, because the future of luxury travel isn't coming. It's already here, and it's wearing the Kenworth badge.